Welcome to this Moodle video on adding a book to your unit. Once you're inside the unit, you'll need to turn editing on and then navigate to the correct topic. Once you've done this, click on Add an Activity or Resource and scroll down the list of activities and resources until you hit Resource and Book and then select Add. We're now in the setup phase where we must give it a name, which is highlighted in red. However, no description is required, although you can give it one. And then you can choose the appearance once within the book. How is the chapter formatting set out, and are you going to have custom titles? For this, I'm leaving it in the default mode and then selecting Save and Display to be able to add my content. Once within the main area for the book, you'll need to be able to give it a chapter title, what they define as a chapter. It could just be how you want to define it as a single page, and add the content. And again, you can add videos and images here. On the right hand side, you'll see what now says Table of Contents and Page 1. You've got 4 icons. You have the sort of cog, which allows you to edit it, the delete cross, the I to hide it, and then the other sort of plus that allows you to add a brand new chapter or page to the collection you're creating within this book. Again, go through the process of giving it that title and the contents, and once you click Save, you'll then now have 2 pages and some other icons which allow you to move the items up and down within the Table of Contents. You're able to add a new page anywhere within that list by clicking the plus. It will add it below the one that the line you've selected it on. So this is now a subchapter, which I'm going to select the subchapter box, add in my information again, and again click Save Changes, and you'll now notice it's bullet pointed underneath page 2. If I click the plus next to that, I'll be able to add a new page, and if I unselect subchapter this time round, it will then create a brand new main chapter or main page within the Moodle environment. So again, give it the title and the contents, which are both mandatory, and click Save Changes. And you can now see page 1, page 2, the subchapter, and then page 3. I can keep doing this indefinitely and adding new pages to create a large book resource. Once I'm done, I'm going to navigate back to my sort of main area, turn editing off, and then I will be able to see the topic space with everything in. There's the book as a student would see it, with the arrows to navigate through, or I can click on the table of contents to move through it as well. Thank you very much for watching this particular video on how to add a book resource to your unit.